Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to review 3 Anti-Rhythm products, and I have their hair mask, hair serum and this lip tint. So let's start with this hair serum. This is their Chameleon Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair serum. This is one oil based hair serum, but it has this creamy texture and it doesn't feel oily at all. The texture is very nice and everything. The ingredients are decent. I'm a big fan of this Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I'm struggling to find this Jamaican Castor Oil in a pure form, though I really hope Anti-Rhythm they sell this oil someday very soon, because we have castor oil but we don't have Jamaican castor oil available to us. Topical oil, they sell this oil, but it is very difficult to get it in India, and Amazon they charge like anything. They just rise the price, and I don't see any point of buying from Amazon, and sometimes we get fake products as well. So I hope the brands are listening to me and they try to sell Jamaican Black Castor Oil to us. So now coming back to this serum, I'm gonna tell you one thing. See, if you're looking for a serum that's gonna detangle your hair, this is not the thing. My hair just feels softer, that's it. And they instruct us that we can use this after wash on damp hair. I have used this on damp hair, but it didn't work for me, so I used this on dry hair, and I need at least 10 pumps of this product because I have kind of long and thick hair. I don't apply this on my roots, just my hair from the middle till the end. I have been using this for quite some time. This is almost over, this serum, and I might buy this again. But do I recommend this? Look, if you're looking for something that can detangle your hair, this is not the product I think for you. But if you want your hair to feel softer, then I think it can help. More manageable to some extent, and I have kind of normal hair. My scalp is kind of oily, by the way, so if you have oily hair, then it might be too much. It might work for you as well, because the texture is kind of light and doesn't feel oily, and I like the ingredients as well. So, and another thing, it was not a love at first use. I kept on using it, then I developed some liking towards this product. So yeah, you need to use it for quite some time to get used to this product and to know how to work with it, how much you need it and when to apply it. Even Anti-Rhythm they says that you can use this as hair mask, but I don't see any point of using this as hair mask because this is kind of expensive. For 50 ml we are paying like 600, something around 600, so I won't use this as hair mask, to be very frank. And yeah, you can try this to see if you like it or not, and basically it's just gonna soften your hair. I mean, that's all. Anti-Rhythm says that it is for dry and frizzy hair. For dry hair it can work, for frizzy hair to some extent. Up next I have their hair mask, their Shea Butter Hibiscus hair mask. I don't like this product at all. It didn't do anything for my hair. I had high hopes from this mask. It just didn't do anything. I applied this overnight, didn't do anything. Then I applied this just for 2 hours before washing my hair, still didn't do anything. This is just not the hair mask for me. I'll choose Recoil hair mask any day over this hair mask. Performance wise, ingredients are decent, but they say they have used essential oils in this formula, but they don't mention the names of the essential oils on the packaging. They have used bunch of oils, butters, fatty alcohols. Ingredients are okay, good, just I don't know what essential oil they are using. But performance, no, I do not like this product at all. They didn't do anything for my hair. A big disappointment. The texture is very nice, doesn't feel heavy and very easy to use, but performance, seriously didn't do anything. My hair feels better when I use even in black seed oil and shea butter together, way better. But when I use this thing, just underwhelmed, very much underwhelmed. Let me know if you have used their hair butters and if they have worked for you or not. For me, didn't work. I'm gonna invest on this again. So up next I have their lip and cheek tint. I like the ingredients. I like the formulation. Feels very moisturizing on lips and cheeks. As a lip tint, it is okay. Doesn't stay for long. You cannot apply this too much. You just have to take a little bit of it, then you have to dab it like this. But on cheeks, it works better. I like this more as cheek tint. And to be very frank, I don't like the color for my lips. It is very different than I imagined it to be. And for my cheeks, it looks better, this color. Even the formula worked better for my cheeks. On my lips, as I told you, it transfers a bit, doesn't stay for long, but it is very moisturizing. It is almost like one lip butter or a lip balm. They have other colors as well, I think 2 shades. I wanted to try another shade just to see how the formulations are or the color might look on my lips. But right now I don't want to spend any more money on lip tints, to be very frank, because I have a bunch of them. I need to finish those things. Yeah, this is not a bad product. I just don't like the color on my lips, and I have tried better lip tints, but on my cheeks it feels very good, very moisturizing, blends easily. I'm comfortable with the ingredients, like putting on my cheek. Let me know if you have tried any of their products and if they worked for you or not. I am interested to know. And I have also ordered one hair gel kind of a thing, leave-in conditioning gel, something like that. I have high hopes from that product, and I'm gonna review this, I think, soon. Let me get that. I'm gonna try this for like 2 weeks, then I'm gonna give a review. And for these products, I'm gonna buy this castor oil based hair serum again, and this lip tint or cheek tint. I'm not gonna buy this color again, to be very frank, but I might try other colors from this brand. And for this hair butter, I'm not gonna buy this again. Didn't do anything for my hair, just big disappointment. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, and see you very soon. Bye bye.
Like everything is new, the sunburst